Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be recreating a look inspired by Ari and Tay. So I've already flat ironed it and I'm just hot combing. That way I can keep my sections separated from the part I'm going to be working on and then the part that I'm going to leave down at the back. So I'm going to start with sectioning out the two little bang pieces in the front. I did have some baby hair from my glueless install. This is the same wig from my last video, which was the glueless install. If you haven't seen that video, make sure you check it out after this one. But yeah, I'm using that same wig and I had baby hair in the front, so I'm just trying to hot comb it back into the long pieces so that when I pull out those bang pieces, it's not like a lot of baby hair sticking out. And then I'm going to hot comb that, and then we're going to get started on the connections. So for the connections, basically I'm doing 2 ponytails and it's going to be 3 rows in each ponytail. So I sectioned it in half and then I'm going to section those halves into 3 sections and then do the connections. Connections, they're pretty simple, self-explanatory, so I'm only going to show one side, one ponytail, and then I'll skip ahead to the install. Oh, she cute already. Okay. So I'm just taking some needle and thread and sewing down the back. I pulled out some tracks and I'm sewing on top because the cap was kind of big, because I did try to make this wig with the sewing machine for the very first time, and yeah, it came out like kind of big. So I'm just sewing down the back, and then we're going to glue the front. For the front, I'm only going to do one layer of glue because I'm not going to leave this wig on long, but feel free to do 3 to 4, however many coats you want to do, however long you're going to wear it. But I'm just doing one coat, and I'm using Ghost Bond. I was watching me some Sister on Netflix. I'm just too excited that they putting all these old shows on here. It's like reminiscing back in the days. I feel so old. But yeah, I was enjoying me some Sister while I was doing this install. Of course, I'm using my Nairobi foam wrap to lay down my baby hairs. Taking my Sebastian Shaper Plus hairspray in my elastic band to tie it down. Okay, time for the knocker balls, knockers, bows, whatever you want to call them. I was trying to see if I was feeling it or not. At first I wasn't, but then I was like, okay. I totally forgot about this part. Someone was trying to kill me, y'all. I don't even know what it was, but it was trying to kill me, and I'm extra. But that's pretty much it. Stay tuned for the final look. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Bye.